Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best permanent magnet generators. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Need reliable power for lights, tools, or backup but don't want a bulky generator? Fuel-powered generators are expensive and noisy. A compact belt-driven permanent magnet generator might be the smarter solution. This is the OLONETO 3500W divided by 5000W divided by 7000W small permanent magnet generator, a 220V brushless, pure copper, belt-driven generator compatible with gasoline or diesel engines. Available in 3500W, 5000W, and 7000W output options. 220V AC output for lighting and small appliances. Pure copper wire construction for better efficiency and durability. Brushless permanent magnet design, low maintenance. Belt-driven system compatible with gasoline or diesel engines. Compact and lightweight, only about 6.5 kilograms. Stable power output for lighting, camping, backup use. Simple mechanical setup with external engine. Pros: lightweight and portable. No brushes, less wear and longer life. Works with existing gasoline or diesel engine. Good for DIY power setups. Cons: requires external engine, not standalone. Belt alignment needed for best performance. Not ideal for heavy appliances like ACs. Output stability depends on engine RPM. Best for DIY generator builders. Small backup power setups. Farm or workshop use. Camping with engine-powered setups. Emergency lighting systems. Not ideal for full home backup or high-power appliances. At $289.59, this generator offers solid value if you already have a gasoline or diesel engine. It's a cost-effective way to build your own compact power system. Number 4. This is the OLONETO 3500W 220V permanent magnet generator, a brushless, belt-driven generator with pure copper coil, designed for gasoline or diesel engine-powered backup use. 3500W rated output for home backup and lighting. 220V AC output compatible with household appliances. Brushless permanent magnet design for low maintenance. Pure copper coil for improved efficiency and durability. Belt-driven system works with gasoline or diesel engines. Compact and lightweight design for portable setups. Stable output for lights, fans, chargers, and small devices. Simple installation with external combustion engine. Suitable for camping, home backup, and small workshops. Pros: lightweight and easy to install. Brushless design increases lifespan. Pure copper coil improves performance. Works with both gasoline and diesel engines. Good for emergency backup power. Cons: external engine required, not standalone. Manual belt setup needed. Limited for high-power appliances. Output depends on engine speed stability. Best for home emergency backup power. Small lighting systems. DIY generator projects. Farm or rural power setups. Camping with engine-powered systems. Not ideal for running AC, heater, or full house loads. At $226.85, this 3500W generator is a budget-friendly option for building a compact backup power system if you already have a gasoline or diesel engine. Number 3. This is the EODSAD 1500W permanent magnet synchronous generator, a low RPM dual-phase PMA alternator designed for AC-DC output in battery charging applications. 1500W permanent magnet synchronous generator. Low RPM operation, efficient at slower engine speeds. Dual-phase AC output with built-in rectifier support. 14V AC-DC output suitable for battery charging systems. Brushless design for reduced maintenance. Compact and lightweight, about 5.95 pounds. Permanent magnet rotor for stable efficiency. Works with small engines, wind, or DIY mechanical setups. Includes permanent magnet silicon rectifier generator. Ideal for off-grid and small power generation systems. Pros: very affordable price. Low RPM power generation. Compact and easy to mount. Brushless long-life design. Good for battery charging systems. Cons: only 14V output, not direct 220V household power. Requires inverter for AC appliances. Real-world output may be lower than rated. Not suitable for heavy loads. Best for battery charging systems. DIY wind turbine projects. Small engine generator builds. Off-grid 12V/14V setups. Camping and emergency charging. Not ideal for directly powering home appliances. At just $42.99, this 1500W PMA generator is extremely budget-friendly. It's a great value for DIY power projects, battery charging, and low-voltage systems, but you'll need an inverter if you want to run standard household devices. Number 2. This is the EODSAD 1500W permanent magnet alternator generator, a low RPM single-phase AC/DC PMA with built-in voltage stabilizer for compact power generation setups. 1500W permanent magnet alternator generator. 14V AC/DC output for battery charging systems. Low RPM operation, works with slower engines. Single-phase synchronous generator design. Built-in voltage stabilizer for more consistent output. Brushless permanent magnet construction. Lightweight design, only 4.77 pounds. Compact size for easy mounting in DIY setups. Includes silicon rectifier generator component. Suitable for camping, residential backup, and small power builds. Pros: very affordable and compact. Built-in voltage stabilizer improves output consistency. Low RPM power generation capability. Brushless design reduces maintenance. Good for charging batteries. Cons: only 14V output, not direct household voltage. Needs inverter for 120V/220V appliances. Limited real-world power output. Not suitable for heavy loads or full home backup. Best for 12V/14V battery charging systems. DIY generator projects. Small wind or engine-driven setups. Camping and off-grid power. Emergency low-voltage backup systems. Not ideal for directly running home appliances. At $41.99, this 1500W PMA generator is a very budget-friendly option. It offers good value for DIY power generation and battery charging setups, especially if you already have an inverter and mechanical drive system. Number 1. This is the OLONETO 3.5 kW/5 kW/7 kW permanent magnet generator, a 220V brushless, belt-driven generator with voltage regulator, designed for low-maintenance home and lighting use. Available in 3.5 kW, 5 kW, and 7 kW power options. 220V AC output for home backup and lighting. Brushless permanent magnet generator design. Built-in voltage regulator for stable output. Pure copper wire coil for better efficiency. Belt-driven system compatible with external engines. Low maintenance operation, no brushes. Compact and lightweight, around 5 kilograms. Suitable for residential and small commercial use. Automatic idle control support for stable performance. Ideal for DIY generator builds and backup systems. Pros: high power output options up to 7000 W. Built-in voltage regulator improves stability. Pure copper coil increases efficiency. Brushless design for long lifespan. Good for home backup and lighting. Cons: requires external engine or motor. Belt alignment required for best performance. Not a plug-and-play generator. Real output depends on RPM and setup. Best for home backup power systems. DIY generator builders. Far more workshop use. Lighting and fan backup. Small business backup power. Not ideal for beginners who want a ready-to-use generator. At $359.76 for the 7000W version, this generator offers strong value for high-powered DIY backup setups. If you already have an engine, it's a cost-effective way to build a powerful home backup system. Check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more power equipment reviews.